How to change payment method in Uber Eats. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your payment method in Uber Eats. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So without any further ado, open up your Uber Eats. Make sure you're logged in into your account. So after you've logged in into your account, you can then head over to the account section on the bottom right. After you're on your account section, here, if you scroll down, there you'll find many options, and the one that you'll need to choose is your wallet or anything that is related to your wallet. So tap on that, and there you'll find add payment method. So if you tap on add payment method, you can choose what you want to add. You can choose credit card or debit card, and then enter your card number and all the other details. And after you've added one payment method, you can remove another one. And that's basically how you can change payment method in your Uber Eats. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Yeah.